Here's where you can go to find all the battery modes found on your OnePlus phone with the latest Android 16 Oxygen OS 16. To find all your battery modes in one area, and if you're new to OnePlus, go into the quick access and tap on the settings right here. Now once you do this here, you're going to see a collection of all different settings for your phone. Then just go down until you see battery right here. And as you enter into battery, you will see a collection of different type of battery modes. And usually it'll be set to balance. And of course, if you decide to go with power saving, this is going to show up here in a few other prompts if ever. And you'll notice your battery icon is going to come into this yellow orange color there. The next one would be high performance mode here, and this one here is going to increase the performance of your phone here, and it's going to also use up some more battery life, and on top of that may cause your phone to get hot. Okay, so just use that if you really need to. And finally, the last one here, super power saving mode. This is going to give you the least performance, but the most battery life that you can save. And each one of them will tell you how much hours you're gonna get based on which mode you select. And there's not really much of an hour difference, usually about 2 hours difference for each mode, but it's always up to you to make this decision and change between the modes at any given time, like and sub.